Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. I want to try out a new segment today. As the guys are cleaning up, I was thinking about doing this, something we've been thinking about for a while. Hey Mike.
What's up, man?
You want to try the new segment?
What's that? What you got? How's it going, everybody? It's Iron Mike, and we're here to show y'all my rig. And check it out. I got me a 2011 F350 King Ranch, my all-time dream truck, and finally got a hold of it after a couple of years. And it's got the 6.7 liter diesel, four-wheel drive, of course. And this thing, it's so good to me. I'm not very good to it, but it takes good care of me. And when I'm not working out in the plants doing maintenance and erecting plants, we're out off-roading in this thing, and I love it. It's so much fun. It's one of my favorite pastimes. So check it out. My truck is a little bit of a mullet. It's got the business in the front.
Scene one, Apple, take two.
My truck's a little bit of a mullet. It's party up front and a business in the back. So this is where I got all of my equipment. Of course, I got the Miller Trailblazer 325, electronic fuel injected. It's a great machine. It's been through a lot with me. Of course, I got my oxy acetylene tanks. Got the reels, acetylene on hoses on top, positive, negative on the bottom, my leads.
Now, what I'm curious is about this tailgate. Tell us about this tailgate.
All right, so the tailgate is a little bit of my personality. So of course, great state of Texas. And then my off-road group, one of them is Texas All-Terrain Crew. And they're really good guys, a lot of fun to be around. And I mean, there's just awesome, a lot of help amongst them. So check them out. And of course, my all-time favorite movie, Maximum Overdrive. If y'all know, you know, on one of the scenes, the 18-wheeler comes out with the Jack in the Box, not the Green Goblin, but the Jack in the Box. Of course, shameless plug, Turnin and Burnin YouTube channel.
Well, you know what time it is? It's time to roll a montage and let's show everybody this rig. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Show Us Your Rig. We're gonna bring some more episodes, show everybody's rigs, just a little bit of them, see how they're all different and what they do with them. So we are not dragging up, but we're gonna roll on up out of here to another one. Peace.
Basically, my truck is, I guess you can call it a mullet, because it's business up front. I'm sorry, that's backwards. Truck's a little bit like a mullet. It's business in the back and party in the front.
Goddamn shadow's in the way. My shadow. There we go. No, no, no!